If cursor is showing error 504, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to coding as fast as possible. A 504 error usually points to a connection issue, a server timeout, or a network problem. So we're going to check the most common causes first and then move into the more advanced troubleshooting steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should do is restart the cursor application. Fully close cursor, make sure it is not still running in the background, and then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches and reconnects the app properly. If the error was caused by a small session issue, this alone may fix it right away. Next, open Chrome or any web browser and go to status.cursor.com. This is where you can check whether Cursor is experiencing a service outage or server-side issue. Once the page loads, look for any warnings, incidents, or degraded performance notices. If the servers are having problems, the issue may not be on your end, and in that case, the best option is to wait until the service is restored. If the server status looks normal, the next step is to disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Cursor's connection and trigger timeout errors. Turn off your VPN completely, disable any proxy settings, and then try launching Cursor again. After that, test whether the 504 error is gone. Now let's run a network diagnostic inside Cursor. Open the Cursor app and click the settings gear icon. Inside the settings, find the network section and look for the option to run a network diagnostic test. Start the test and let Cursor check your connection. This can help identify whether the problem is related to DNS, internet stability, or network access. If the diagnostic gives you any useful information, follow the recommended fix before moving on. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to flush your DNS. This is a really helpful fix when your system is holding on to outdated or broken network records. To do that on Windows, click the Windows search bar and type CMD. Open command prompt. Once the command window is open, type ipconfig flush DNs and press enter. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the DNS cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart Cursor and try again. At this point, one of these steps should have cleared the issue. The good news is that error 504 is often temporary and can usually be fixed by refreshing the app, checking server status, removing VPN interference, running diagnostics, or clearing DNS cache. If the issue continues, try restarting your computer as a final quick step and then reopen Cursor one more time. If this tutorial helped you solve the Cursor error 504 problem, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.